The WEN JN8504 8.5 amp plate and biscuit joiner comes across on its Amazon listing as a full kit-style entry-level professional tool designed for woodworkers who want an all-in-one package. The core specs call out an 8.5 amp motor that spins a 4-inch carbide tipped blade at around 10,000 RPM, preset stops for standard number 0, number 10, and number 20 biscuits, and an adjustable fence that locks from 0 degrees to 90 degrees for both edge and miter work. The kit typically ships with a detachable dust bag, a supply of biscuits, commonly 24 number 20, 16 number 10, and 10 number 0, but check the pack you receive, and a blow mold carrying case, making it an attractive value for hobbyists setting up a small shop. On the Amazon page, buyers praise the WEN for its affordability and for offering a surprisingly capable motor and blade for the price. Common positive notes are power for hardwoods, easy fence adjustments, and great starter kit. While negative or cautious comments often mention that precision fence alignment takes a bit of attention out of the box and that the dust collection system is functional but not as thorough as a shock dust extractor, several customers point out that WEN's parts availability and customer support can be helpful if you need replacement blades or biscuits later. In summary, the WEN JN8504 represents a cost-effective way to achieve strong biscuit joints and to learn plate joiner technique without immediately investing in pro-level tooling. If you're building cabinetry, joining tabletops, or repairing furniture and you want a ready-to-use kit, this unit delivers good bang for the buck. We share buy links in description box.